Big data and AI, or artificial intelligence. You hear a lot about them being the next big thing, but what are they really? And why are they so important? There's been a huge explosion of data, especially unstructured data, which is data that doesn't fit neatly into rows and columns. Meanwhile, AI is finally becoming intelligent and not so artificial. These two factors are driving a need to change how computers actually work, and IBM's been working on these problems with a focus on what they call cognitive computing. They also see that advances in semiconductors are going to play an important foundational role going forward. So we're going to have a conversation about this with Dr. Mukesh Khare, who is Vice President of the Semiconductor Group at IBM Research. Welcome to the program.
Thanks, Dan. Thanks for having me here today.
So when you look at this big picture, right, of cognitive computing, all the exciting things that IBM is doing that you read about or see on 60 Minutes, how does that translate to the semiconductor level?
Dan, I'll say we are going through a major inflection in semiconductor industry and in this era. But IDC shows that by 2025, there will be as many as 80 billion devices connected on internet. And they will be generating close to 180 zettabyte of data.
Mm-hmm.
That's a trillion gigabyte of data.
Mm-hmm.
That's a lot of data. And that opens up a big opportunity to make value, to generate value out of this data. So that's where IBM and we are embarking in this era of cognitive computing.
So when you look at this, you described a couple of steps that have to go forward and how they affect the semiconductor technology and what semiconductor technology needs to be developed. So what's step one?